Belts are always in fashion. Most recently, elastic belts have become so trendy. Hello, I'm Allie, the literary sewist, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a fashion belt in 3 easy steps, one that will fit your body just right. Let's do this. There were just a few options available for fashiony belt buckles in my local craft store. You can find even more options on Amazon or Etsy. Even check out your local thrift store. I will drop links in the description below for you. I will be using this one today. And another thing, you want to make sure that the belt buckle you get matches the width of your elastic. So make sure you're careful and double check that before you start your project. Step 1, measure your waist. Wrap your elastic around you at the place where you plan to wear the belt. Typically, this is just at or slightly above the natural waistline. Subtract approximately 2 inches from the length. Then subtract the width of your buckle from the length of the elastic. Cut your elastic here. Step 2, prep the elastic. Slide the elastic through one side of the buckle, fold over about a ½ inch, then pin in place. Set your machine to a medium-length zigzag stitch. Step number 3, stitch the elastic. Sew along the edge of the elastic fold back and forth at least 4 times. Repeat for the other side and you're all done. Now try it on. Check the fit by reaching up and bending over. These elastic belts are so great to have on hand. They've really become a staple in my wardrobe. If you think they're going to become a staple in yours, give this video a thumbs up. Then pop on over there for even more fun sewing projects and tutorials. See you next time.